Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parsons Productions. In this episode, we got the BRZ in the background, we've got Brandon, we've got the dog, and we are installing white Subaru emblems. As you can see, we've got the old stock ones on here. They look decent, but I think it's time for an upgrade. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and mist down it, and we're gonna wipe it down a little bit. My car is dirty, so don't mind the dust. We're just gonna get it nice and clean. And by clean, I mean clean-ish. We'll clean it in a much more appropriate fashion later. All right, so we read a lot of different reviews on how to remove this. The best method we found is with the old heat gun, as well as some fishing line and tape. So we're gonna go ahead and tape this all off so we don't scratch any of the paint. Then we'll use the fishing line and some heat from the heat gun to remove the adhesive from the back of the emblem. All right, so I've got a yay long piece of fishing line here. I'm gonna wrap it between my fingers, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it down behind the emblem as best as I can get it in there, if it'll go in there. And then I'm just gonna start working it. Gosh, I can't get it to go in. Put your finger down like right between that to get it to go in there. Oh, really? Okay. Well, we're gonna go and try that one more time.
You might want to use stronger fishing line.
And I'm gonna use a sawing motion back and forth like this to break the fishing line. This is why you use strong fishing line, folks. Maybe if we doubled it up or so. Don't you worry, we'll get this badge off one way or another. It melted the fishing line. I do have some braided fishing line.
Yeah, I've got some stronger fishing line upstairs too.
Should we get that?
Yeah, you want me to get it?
1 hour later.
Alrighty, so we got some new fishing line. This fishing line is braided. It is made of cloth, so hopefully the heat gun won't make it come undone, you know. Let's give it a shot.
Won't make it come on down.
Come on down. Alright, so I've got a length.
That's strong fishing line right there.
Yeah, scissors won't even cut it. We'll just trash scissors. Alright, there we go. Alright, I've got a yay length. Let's get some heat. Let's try it again. Can you finger me?
Anytime.
Alright, I'm sawing. Brandon's heating. We're getting it going. It'll happen.
You know what?
Huh?
I bet you there's like the little tabs in this one too.
Oh, I bet you there is. That's why it's not going. Here, let's try to get on that side. Makes us look real confident in the video.
Yeah, just edit that part out.
Yeah. Something's cooking. The Subaru back emblems. All right, so I've got my Costco card out right now, and we're kind of working it in there. And just like that, there comes one Subaru BRZ badge. That is paint, homie. Bro, it's ripping the paint. I hate you guys.
Is that paint?
That's paint, don't peel it. All right, so you can see with this one, it's peeling the paint back too, so probably should have taken a razor knife and scored it out before. That is a little unfortunate. However, we will clean this up, we'll peel the tape, and we'll see what the damage is.
I would imagine on a stock bumper you probably wouldn't have that issue.
This is a car from Carvana, so there was a little repaint. However, on a stock vehicle, I don't imagine that would be an issue. Oh man, that is really unfortunate. I would like to take a razor. You got a knife on you?
Negative.
And clean that up before we apply the new one. So we've got a knife. We're gonna go ahead and slightly score the paint because it's peeling the paint back. Oh my God. All right, for future reference, if you're gonna get your car painted, go to a reliable paint source. That's gonna have to stay like that because you can see the paint's just peeling off all willy-nilly. All right, so we're gonna take some Goo Gone and we're gonna clean this up a little bit and then we'll get it ready for reapplication. So I've got my Goo Gone here. I'm gonna go ahead and just mist it down and we're gonna hopefully remove any contaminants that were left on by the previous badge. For the most part, it is coming off. Just requires a little bit of elbow grease. But you do want to make sure this is nice and clear before the application of another adhesive. This is to a BRZ. The ones Brandon and I are holding are to an STI. I ordered the wrong ones, so we just happen to have an STI right here. So let's install some STI ones. All right, so what Brandon is doing now is we're doing the same process as we did last time. We're taking some fishing line and we are removing the old badge with the fishing line. There are two little plastic tabs back there, so we want to be careful to not damage those. However, he's going to slowly but carefully go all the way around it and remove the badge adhesive.
I think that's all she wrote for that. I think we need some heats here. Possibly a plastic cover too.
Oh, there she goes. She's moving. Can you get your fingers back there?
No.
After a while of prying and prodding, we finally got it off. Just a little bit of elbow grease, and you can see it came off wonderfully.
And a lot of heat.
And a lot of heat with the old heat gun down there. But yeah, got it off, and now it's time to clean it up and install the new one. Alrighty, you can see that the new one lines up perfectly like it should instead of the BRZ. So let's peel that adhesive and get to work. Alright, Brandon's pressing real hard, getting all that adhesive.
Make sure you support from the rear.
That's support from the rear. I don't think
That
she's
ain't going nowhere.
She ain't going nowhere.
Ain't going nowhere.
STI for the win. Sorry, BRZ, another day. That concludes this episode of Parsons Productions. Stay tuned to the next episode, and I will catch you guys later.